Time for sleep, little one. Wow. Reach for my hand. Wow. Hello. I'm scared. Shh, it's all right. I'm here for you. No one notices me at school. I feel so alone. I hear you, Finley. You're not invisible to me. Don't worry, little one. This magic will keep you safe. Rest now. So warm. Time for an adventure. Wow, what is that? I'll come with you. Yes, let's go. Welcome, Finley. I've been waiting for you. Wow, Fairy May. This bridge is amazing. Wow! Look at that, Finley. It's beautiful. Come closer, silly. Look closely. These stones are ancient and hold great power. Feel their magic. Wow, I feel it. Huh? Why is this one dark? Well, here goes. The bridge holds a secret. With this light, you can unlock its path. Wow, what? Go on, Finley, the bridge is waiting. Oh, hey there, little one. Don't be shy. I won't hurt you. Come on, Finley. It's safe. Wow. Look at it all. Wow. It's okay. Don't be scared. You're real. You are strong, you are brave, you can do anything. Thank you, Fairy May. I feel it now. Oh, hello there. Hi. We've been waiting. Come on in. It's okay, Finley. You're safe. Thank you, Fairy May. I feel brave. The bridge is glowing. It's beautiful. You can do it, Finley. Let's go, Fairy May. Oh, look. Who's this? Hello there, little guy. Go ahead, Finley. Say hello. Hi there, little one. Hello there. Oh, hey there. Hello. Wow, look at the bridge. It's glowing, Finley. It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. It's magic. Look what I have for you. Wow. It's so beautiful. Oh, hello. Good morning, Finley. Wow, you look like a real fairy. And you're wearing your pajamas. Let's play. Wow, Fairy May, it's so bright. Come on, Finley, we're almost home. It'll be okay. Sleep now, little one. The stars will watch over you. Thank you, Fairy May. I feel so safe and sleepy. Sleep well, Finley. Good night, Fairy May.